Managing quick commerce ads should drive growth, not drain your time. Uploading campaigns manually, downloading reports one by one. Across platforms like Blinkit and Zepto, the effort adds up fast. Introducing the Quick Commerce Ads Automation tool, built to simplify ad management across quick commerce platforms. Upload your campaign details once in Excel. The system automatically populates campaign data directly into ad platforms. Ad performance data is pulled automatically: impressions, clicks, conversions, and spend, all consolidated into a single Excel file. No more repetitive tasks, no more manual errors, just faster execution and clearer insights across platforms. If you want to automate quick commerce ad uploads and performance tracking across platforms like Blinkit and Zepto, reach out to us through our website. Visit reluconsultancy.com. And thanks for watching.